So I want to make a real quick video to show you guys how to fix this display problem that they send you a replacement for the Pit Boss Austin XL. A lot of people are going up underneath, under there, and taking the screws out and stuff. But I ordered this little plastic removal tool for vehicles to work on my truck. It had this in there, so I took this. If you just reach in here, you can pop this off. There's 3 little clips right there. Just reach in there and pop it. Don't be afraid. Pop it because you're not going to use the old one. It's in the box. Pop that out. Take it out. You have the switch. Put that cable where it's supposed to go. This one. You switch them one at a time. Make sure about my colors, you'll get them right. You have to clip some little zip ties they got on that. No big deal. And pop your new one in. Now it's working.